Today, we have two different keyboards, totally different in aesthetics and for different users. Welcome everyone to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. This is Enoylity Technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Elevate your keyboard experience with Epomaker RT100, the ultimate innovation in mechanical keyboards. Here we have the box of Epomaker RT100. Inside the box, we get our keyboard, which feels super retro and classic. And along with the keyboard, we get this matching retro USB-C to C cable to connect this keyboard to your desktop. Keycap puller. We also get this small TFT screen. So let's have a look on it. For those who have keyboard experience beyond the ordinary, the Epomaker RT100 is here to redefine your expectations. This retro-style keyboard offers a detachable smart TFT LCD display that introduces a new realm of functionality. This mini display serves as a customizable smartwatch, showing time, weather, battery levels, and more, all with easy programming. What's unique is that the mini display is detachable, seamlessly transforming into a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver hub. Gaming enthusiasts will revel in the NKRO feature that allows simultaneous key presses, ideal for complex commands and real-time games. The RT100's RGB lights are strategically placed to enhance your visual experience. With 16 default light patterns and customizable options, the visual journey is in your hands. Connectivity options include wired Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless, catering to convenience and stability preferences. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures prolonged use, while the discrete storage space for the wireless receiver is a thoughtful touch. Typing on the RT100 is a tactile delight. The gasket mount design with pour-on sandwich layer offers a soft, satisfying typing experience. The 97-key layout strikes a balance between efficiency and space. The keyboard's elegant knob with its 360-degree rotation and keystroke registration adds a layer of customization. From media control to personalized shortcuts, the possibilities are endless. Switching between Mac and Windows layouts is effortless, thanks to a physical layout switch. The RT100 empowers enthusiasts with hot-swapping Kail sockets and Epomaker custom switches, ensuring a personalized typing feel without soldering. The Epomaker RT100 isn't just a keyboard, it's an innovation that transforms your workspace. Introducing KiiBoom Moonshadow 81, a new era of DIY keyboards. In a world where innovation meets creativity, the KiiBoom Moonshadow 81 emerges as a game changer for DIY keyboard enthusiasts. Designed with a focus on simplicity, the Moonshadow 81 brings the art of crafting keyboards to a whole new level. Inside the box, we get our keyboard, which feels super sturdy, and no doubt it is a heavy keyboard. And along with the keyboard, we get this premium USB-C to C cable to connect this keyboard to your desktop. Keycap puller, and talking about the DIY you need. Keycaps and switches that are sold separately. The Moonshadow 81 boasts firm connections at right angles. This ingenious design allows for easy disassembly and reassembly without the need for specialized tools. Say goodbye to unscrewing and screwing. The Moonshadow 81's joint effortlessly come together, making modifications a breeze. Dive into the future of DIY with KiiBoom's groundbreaking aluminum-cased QMK barebone kit. So, this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.